Anyway, look, what's going to happen, we're going to be going home very soon, and I'll show you my catch. The wind is starting to pick up, so I better get out of here and oh, hang on, I'm not going anywhere now. And there's a powder. Welcome back, folks, for another episode of Dolphins Fishing Adventures. I just heard reports of the ramp. There's a few Spanish mackerel around the place, and I saw a few birds already diving into the water, which is a good sign. I'm not going to waste my time trolling around until I see any schools coming in close to the boat, and I might cast some big lures. That's what I've just been doing now. I'm not really set up for big fish, but that's what we'll be using later on if they come onto the boat. Anyway. Alright, if you don't believe it, I've already spent about an hour trying to find a good spot. And that's what happens in fishing. You just need to find a spot, a good spot. The only way you're going to find out is if you move around and give it a shot. It looks really dark here, you won't be able to see it. That signifies we're on weed grounds. I know it's not that deep here, so I won't be using my extra heavy Tiprun jigs. I'll just be using my normal 3.5, 23 gram just plain old jigs. I am close to the beach, so the squid are probably going for whiting or other little bait fish, so I'm going to try and match those colours up. So yellow, white, or I don't know, red I suppose. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's try and get a couple. Looks like the first catch of the day, and here's a big one up in grabbed it, and I've been on the move for about 2 hours now, and nothing. This one here feels like a really good one, big one. Oh no! Oh! Came off. I'm not going to get too excited until this guy here is on the boat. And this is a deep tip run. I probably should have shown you what I did. I actually dropped it down and I was just jigging it, winding. Jig, wind. And that's when I got the strike. Oh, is he? There he is. Okay, yep, lovely. And I was just jigging it as you meant to. That's a lovely one. Now I'm happy. We're a bit of a redemption. I don't want to waste the time. I want to get a few more, because today it's been just very, very lean. Yeah, all right. Lovely one. Very happy. You got to squirt me, mate. Wind. And as you wind, you actually bring it up, and it gets to a certain point where you've got to bring it back down again. That's where the squid are, towards the bottom. I'll just let it out. And the water looks fantastic. It is absolutely dark. I hope there's a few more, because today's been a very bad day. Again, you gotta look out for the rod tips of your rods when the squid jig's out there, because I just saw it lean over and I quickly grabbed it, tried to hook him up, and then put the cameras on, because I do like making movies, but my priority is to go and catch a few squid today. There we are. Okay, I'm not going to muck around, I'm not going to change any camera angles. I'm just going to try and land this one. Alright, yes, lovely. That's a fine specimen. Beautiful. Very, very happy. Second one. Got him on the back of the head there. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Alright. Done well. Oh yeah. Lovely one. See that there? Get further drinking on the net. Nice catch that one. There we go. So you really paid off the move, as I said. And that one there is just a beautiful one. So that's about the average size today. Not too small and not too big. They're just beautiful. Lovely. Okay. Woohoo! On again. This one. Been on those with off. Oh, it's a good one. Really can't complain. Lovely. Woohoo! Woo! Yeah, baby. Lovely one here. Again on the Tiprun Jigs, and I dropped it down all the way to the bottom and jigged it up. And this one is off too, I think, over near the weed. Alright, so I've got this one here on board. Lovely. That's a good one. Yeah, now you decide to turn on. These cameras really starting to give me the shits. I think I might stop filming when I'm fishing. I'm not getting much joy. Oh, this is a big one. Whoa. Now I'm getting some joy. Look at that. Yeah. Now I'm getting joy. Oh, I think the battery's gone on that one. But this one here is a stonker of a squid. The last stonker I caught this morning, I came off because I was just mucking around too much. This one here, yeah, he's hooked. I'm going to stay on the hook. On the leg is always dangerous. And the landing net is very important. Woo! Check that out. That's a beauty one. I'm just so glad that the squid have decided to come to the party. I was going to leave the party, whoops, leave a party without having a few drinks. Awesomeness. That's the jig I'm using, the Haramitsu deep double Tiprun BB rod. I think it's a 30 gram. Absolutely killing it today. Plus the lime one as usual. But if you're just new at squidding and you don't know what to do, what colour, generally anything red I found is an all-round good colour for any kind of conditions. That's just my own experience. Trust me, I've caught many of calamari. Okay, so it must be in a honey hole because I've got another one up here. Oh, and there's one pond behind him. Beauty, so it must be a honey hole here. Oh, the one behind him's quite good. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Bang. Thank you, man. Woo! That's the way to do it. Yep. Woo! Ha! Give me curry, this one. Woo! Baby. What I thought today was going to be nothing. And the blue. Alrighty. Getting myself a couple of nice fine specimens. And that's a beauty one. Woohoo! Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. I'm speechless. one he just took off. Make sure he's on. He hasn't. There you go, now he's hooked. What the squid do, they actually wrap themselves around it. It's not until you actually jerk and get the hook set in. Right. Oh, there's one crawling right behind me. Oh my god. What's going to happen here? Let's see. Hello, how are you, mate? Alright. Oh, he's attacking his mate. He's attacking his mate. Well, that's pretty strange. So what I'm going to do is actually relieve. There he is. He's attacking his mate. Look at that. So mate, this squid have got no conscience. So let's see if I can get this on camera. All right, I got him hooked. Oh, and he came off. I got the hook up, but he came off. That's all right. I hope that worked. That's amazing. So the squid actually went up to attack his mate, and I knew they are carnivorous, and they will attack their own. But mate, jeez. So he got away with murder, that one. This one here got away with coming home with me. Lovely. Alright. No more, mate. Tiny tot. Now I can sign off. Okay people, so you just saw an underwater shot of the last squid I caught. The reason you didn't see it on the actual footage is because my battery ran out. Anyway, look what's going to happen. We're going to be going home very soon, and I'll show you my catch. The wind is starting to pick up, so I better get out of here. And oh, hang on. I'm not going anywhere now. Oh. I love it. It must be that big one I missed out this morning. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Right on the ground of my head. Woo. Oh, and this one here's going to take off too. That's a lovely one. Well, my hand line's just taken off too. So I'm going to get this one on and use the net. That is a pearler. That is a pearler. That's the way to do it. Having said that, I'm going to sign off. Will I cook these up or not? I'll find out when I get home. If I don't, see you next time. Take it easy. Woo! I should have left about half an hour.